Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about the NZD USD trade that I did last week. We're going to be talking about NZD and GBP, and lastly we're going to be talking about copper. All right, so let's start with the trade that had opened last week on NZD USD before NFP. Uh, so this is another um, great example to why I shouldn't I shouldn't trade on NFP. All right. So this will be the last time I trade on NFP. All right. Um, so yeah. So we have this. The technicals are beautiful. We have this inverse head and shoulders. We had the bullish engulfing on Thursday, and then NFP just went um, against me. All right. Stop loss hasn't hit yet, but price closed below structure, breaking structure, making it bearish now. Now, yeah, when market opens, today is the 8th of December, Sunday. When market opens, I'm simply gonna close my trade. And yeah, the loss I would be closing a loss of 1.5%. The good thing is that the original loss was supposed to be 2%, so I am quite literally saving uh, half a percent if I close when market opens. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's how I am going to play defense on this one. Now, let's go to NCD USD. I mean to NCD in general, the futures contracts of NCD. Now, nothing has changed. I am still bullish. We are still in that demand zone on the daily and the weekly. We go to the daily, we can see that price reacted last week off that zone, and now it created another demand zone with this drop, and we have these two base candles rally. All right, we're inside two demand zones, two daily demand zones and one weekly demand zones. Now, how are the fundamentals? Um, the users and producers are still bullish, as you guys can see. All right, are very bullish. Now, if we go to, sorry, retail traders, which is more important, they are still bearish. They can't, they, they got a little more bullish, but we're still overall very bearish. All right. Now, let's see. And lastly, we are still undervalued against the dollar, which is huge. All right. Now, that's why I am still bullish on NCD USD. I just didn't catch the timing correctly. Now, um, so I have on my watch also, let's say GBP. Let's discuss GBP. GBP, I actually entered a small position on GBP last week, GBP USD, but I literally closed it like an hour after I placed the trade because I wasn't very convinced and price literally did exactly what I was expecting. But anyways, we're still in that demand zone. It reacted off this daily and weekly zone. It created also on a daily another uh, drop base rally, and I'm just expecting price to come back to the zone to continue to go to the upside. Now we can see we are still undervalued versus the dollar. We are still very bearish. We are very bearish, very bearish. And we are um yeah, I think yeah, users and producer aren't doing a lot. Yeah. So we have two things saying that price should continue to go up. Now, I'm not sure. I doubt that price comes back into this zone again to continue to the upside, but that's what I'm waiting on the British pound. So yeah, NCD USD, which is what I'm liking the best. Uh, I am just waiting for price to come back, come back up, waiting for price to come back up, break above this lower high, making it bullish structure, give us a pullback and bullish engulfing. We're in the trade. So as you guys can see, we can see that this is a strong resistance. With support, support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance, support, and then resistance. Now we break above that zone. Um, we're on the clear to go long. All right. Now, um, I also have NZD/JPY. I also have GBP/USD and GBP/JPY on the watch list. Well, it's not in this watch list, but um, if they're ready for this week, then I'll make a separate video for them, for any of them. So lastly, let's talk about copper. Copper, I'm really liking copper because we're on a drop-based rally on the monthly. So in the monthly we have, oops, in the monthly we have this drop-based rally. This doji candle is all that um, demand zone. On the daily we have this rally-based rally, and then on the daily we have this drop-based rally. Now I'm just expecting price actually on the daily made a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then break previous structure, making it a bullish structure. I'm just waiting for price to come back, give us a bullish engulfing on the daily or on 20-hour time frame or on the 960 time frame. All right. Any of those time frames, I would be expecting a bullish engulf, a pullback and a bullish engulfing to continue to long. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I haven't mentioned the fundamental aspects. So we are users and producers. This is metal, so we have to check what they're doing. They're bullish compared to previous behavior. When they were this bullish, look what happened. Look at that rally. Now we're bullish, and then if we look at retail traders, they're bearish. All right, they're bearish. Okay, compared to previous behavior. So yeah, and valuation, we're on almost undervalued against the dollar. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me a DM or leave it in the comments. All right, happy trading, guys. Peace.